As the dry season arrives, last of the remaining waterholes are drying up quick, and the hunters are gathering in for the feast. Little egrets from all around the area join together for what could be their last buffet of the season. Egrets are white in color with long black legs and narrow black beak. Feeding mainly on fishes, their diet varies from crustaceans, amphibians, birds to some small mammals. They hunt using a range of techniques. They stalk in shallow water, sometimes dashing with their wings up, or shuffle their feet to agitate small fishes, or they may wait to ambush their victims. Little egrets are social birds that are frequently observed in small groups. However, an individual won't put up with others approaching too close to their preferred feeding location. Usually the bigger bird chases the smaller ones away and hunts over the larger and better area. But when two equally sized birds meet, showdown is imminent. Looks like someone landed more than it can swallow. Now everybody gets to try if they can fit the fish down their throat. Even the smaller neighbor Indian pond heron looks interested. At the end, it's the pond heron who has the last laugh. But will it be able to swallow the fish?